Need to fix TikTok repost button not showing? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, you need to head over to App Store. In the address bar, search for TikTok. Now move into this app right here. Instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing the issue. In that case, simply click on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application TikTok. Once found, click on it. Tap on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing. If not, then you have to make sure that the server of TikTok is down or not. In order to do so, move into Safari. In the address bar, search for TikTok outage. Now head over to the very first site. Once you're in this official site, you will be able to see whether the server of TikTok is down or not. In case if the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed, and then only you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.